and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you a new smocking piece that I have researched and found. I've got some recycled fabric from a charity shop top/dress that I had, cut it up, and I'm doing some smocking with the inevitable view of adding it to my main weave piece that I've been working on over the last couple of weeks. So let's get into the video. Try and use red pens so that you can see what I'm doing. This is going to be the design. I'll explain it in a minute. Okay, can you see that? We've got a full square, then we've got corners with little arrows. So basically I'll show you what to do, but I'm going to be stitching along here and then all the way around that square. Then we leave a gap and then we do exactly the same shape again. We'll leave a gap and another one. 13 up and 13 across. 1 inch squares. Okay, so there's the design. I've put little arrows on a few of them at the top there and then just used the red pen to draw out the design without the little arrows so that I know where I'm going. What's she doing? Hello. Hello. Oh, are we going for a tickle? Are we going for a little tickle? Oh, look at your cute face. Oh, look at you, Layla. Oh. Oh. Just gonna trim the sides of my fabric with some pinking shears, as I always do when we've got fabric there that's potentially gonna fray like crazy. You can see what I've been doing there. I cut up an old charity shop dress. I love this fabric. It's kind of like a satiny silk type fabric and the colour is exactly what I'm into, as you know. I do like a little mini smocking piece that we can add potentially to our weave. All right then. And the pens that I've used are my usual friction pens, which will iron off with the heat later. What you doing? Oh, what you doing? Oh, I'm gonna stand on my piece. Tail wagging. Oh, I'm gonna lie on it. I think this is Scrappy Dappy Doo. Is it Scrappy Dappy Doo? Yes. Scrappy Doo. Whoa. Wow. Okay then. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow the red lines from here. So a very small stitch, pick up my needle, very small stitch, head down to where I'm going, up here, again very small stitch, and then we're going to pull that in just like it's gravitating to do anyway, and then we're going to put a stitch through. I'm going to take my needle through the middle and tie a knot. I'm going to do the middle, just follow all the way around that little square. Give that a little tug. Pop a knot through. Tie a knot. Go to the bottom left-hand side here. Follow the red lines. Give that a little tug. Pop a stitch through. And then over to the bottom right-hand side. Follow the red lines. Pull. Small stitch. Tie a knot. And one more up at the top right. Pull. Little stitch through. And take my needle through the little loop there. Tie a knot. And we are done on the first one. And so we carry on. So there is a small gap that we've left before we get to the next design. And then we're going to start on the top left, tiny little stitch, and off we go again. So I've got 1 and 2 to do across, and then I'll stop and show you where and what it's looking like on both sides. Okay, that's the first 3 done. Right there. Oops, that's tucked down a bit. And then it looks like this on the other side. So starting to take shape, and I'll crack on with the rest. Okay, I am so nearly done. Just left on the last one. So I've been looking at it as I go along, obviously. I actually really like both sides. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use on my weave. And it's come out quite mini, obviously, because I used a small piece of fabric there, but Okay, so that is the front. This is the side that I've been sewing on. These are really dinky and cute, and that's what I said. I do actually quite like this side, maybe more than this side. I'm not sure. What do you reckon? That's it. I've just steamed it so to get rid of the friction pen, but really happy with both sides. Let me know in the comments which side you prefer. And then just to show you a couple of updates on here, I have created some more pieces out of different materials, and I'm still building on the texture and making it into more 3D forms. Where this is going to go I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and if you did, do give it a like. Please share the channel if you're wanting to share it with teachers or friends or pupils, students. That would be very helpful, and I shall see you in the very next video. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.